Let me show you how to create planet in Photoshop. Select elliptical marquee tool. Draw circle by pressing Shift. After then press spacebar to freely move. Go to Filter Distort and choose Spherize. Set amount to 100. And hit OK. Select Move tool and drag it to background image. Press Ctrl key. Press Shift and adjust it. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Adjustment Layer, choose Levels. Create clipping mask and drag arrow like this. Select Brush tool. And follow the settings. Start brushing. Go to Adjustment Layer. Choose Hue and Saturation. Choose Clipping Mask. And follow the settings. Select Background Layer, go to Adjustment Layer, choose Curves. And follow the settings. Go to Adjustment Layer. Choose Hue and Saturation. Choose Clipping Mask. And follow the settings. Select Background Layer. Go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Set Radius to 1.5. Click here. And press Ctrl Shift N. And follow the settings. Go to Filter, Noise and add Noise. Art amount to 17. Allow this tick. Press Ctrl Alt Shift E. That's it. Hope you liked it.